Drumsticks. Callie's blackened, Kinders, air fryer or barbecue. Not sure yet. Alright, so I don't know. So I am doing, I'm rubbing the seasoning into the chicken after I season both sides. And then I'm going to put another sprinkle on top. And that is how that is done. Alright, we're going to throw these bad boys on the ground. I like to do skin side down, personally, at first. Skin side down at first. Personally, I like it like that. For legs. And we'll let those cook nicely. And we'll come back and see how they're doing. And then when they're almost done, we're going to try this. Thought it was kind of funny, but we'll try it out. It's looking good, guys. Looking good. And the finished product.